Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the complete guide on Motorola Edge 70 Pro of the setup. So first, after we factory restarted the phone or we just pull it out of the box, we see this. Here you can change the language of your phone, and we have a vision settings right here. But for now, we'll just click Start. Now, after that, we can set up using another device to copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone. But I will skip it for now to show you the whole process. If you have any other device that you want to set up with, you can click here the Android device or iPhone and iPad. Now, skip. And firstly, connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip that, but I will connect to show you the whole setup. Okay, now it's getting the phone ready. We have the privacy and security. We have a couple of options, for example, hemp-proof Motorola products, enhanced device support, optimize battery use, enable smart updates. You can disable this option to your liking. Click accept and continue. Once again, we need to wait a couple of seconds. It's doing it every other option. Okay, now the network info. Who are you setting this phone for? You can set it for yourself or for your child and then set up with the parental control. I will do it for myself. If you need help with setting up the parental control, you can find the video on our channel. Then sign in to your Google account, and after you put in your password, click Next. Then agree. You can connect to a mobile network by putting in into your phone a SIM card. I don't have a SIM card, so I will skip it, but if you do, then click set, and if you have eSIM, click set up eSIM. Skip, yes, skip. Now set a PIN for your phone and re-enter it. The PIN is set. Now we can enable the unlock with fingerprint. So set up. Here is the sensor. Touch it with your finger right here. Now touch and lift the sensor a couple of times. Remember to do it with every angle of your finger. As you can see, the finger placement should vary every time. Okay, and one last time. Done. Then you can copy apps and data from another phone. I will do it later. Now we have Google services, use location, allow scanning, allow phone number verification, biometrics to verify purchases, and send usage and diagnostic data. You can disable any option you want, but I will keep all of them enabled and accept. Then we have the backup. We can back up the photos and videos, all or other data. I will only select other data and turn on backup. Choose your browser and search engine. So here we have the browser. I will be using Google Chrome. set as default, and search engine Google. Continue setup. Continue to have your device fully configured with Google services and more. Continue. Let's contacts nearby find and share with you. Agree. Make Gemini your personal AI assistant. We can see right here that we need to press and hold power button or go with your voice to enable the Gemini. Next, go hands-free with Hey Google. OK, turn on. Review additional apps. OK. We are nearly at the end. Now we can stay up to date, join the millions of Motorola fans who receive exclusion information. You can enable or disable the notifications from Motorola. Live lock screen. And now we need to choose the navigation style. I will be using the gestures. The theme. Set up parental controls. Right here you can set it, but I will skip it for now. Finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.